Welcome, today I've heard of me Redmi 10A and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created folder on our device home screen. By the same way, if you wanna, you can add here more and more applications. Just to rename the folder, you should click here once on the name, and after that just enter the new one, and now we can see that this folder renamed successfully. If you want to move the folder here on the screen, just hold and after that drag it. If you want to remove the folders between the move folders between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just hold and drag it. We can also create the new screens with the folders here. Just where is this folder? Okay. So we just should hold the folder and then drag to the right side of the screen, and now we can see that we just created successfully. Just to remove, let's just go back to the folder, to the screen for example. Just to remove the applications from the folder, you should hold it and after that drag it to the home screen by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.